So our next thing up were the Creeds, and I was a little bit concerned after Halloween Havoc on what they were going to do with the Creed brothers. They sort of finished up with Damon, and wasn't really anything else lined up for them unless they were going for the tag team champions again. But here's WWE surprising me with this because they actually have something new, and I'm excited about it. As they were talking about ending it with Damon, Damon shows up on the Titantron talking about that he's going to be coming back and doing a revenge on it. Is he going to bring in his brother? I don't know. Maybe not right now, but I see it in the future. As that interaction was happening through the people in the ring and on the screen, out come Veer Mahan and Sangha looking snappy, looking sharp in suits, and attacking the Creed brothers. You could tell me, Tiger Hey, why do you like this? It's just a random tag team feud. I like this because, number one, it gives Creed something to do, and more Creeds on my screen, the better. But then you also have the reintroduction of Veer into NXT, where he should have been the entire time, which I'm very happy about. And then he's in a tag team with Sangha, who needed this refresh. Everything here worked for me. It's not 2 thumbs up good. It's definitely 1 thumb up good because I was just incredibly satisfied of where this is going. I was incredibly satisfied of how they did this, and I want to see more. And when you give me the impression and you give me the feeling of wanting to see more, that's when you know you've won me over. So let's see where this goes. I'm not gonna sing its praises too much, despite me doing that literally right now, because I just don't know what they're going to do with this. They could either fumble on it or they can shoot this up to the stratosphere. We just don't know, but I'm very excited for it.